Hey, welcome back to the lecture. So now the very first thing what we're going to do is define the base addresses of flash and SRAM memories. So that means the embedded memories of the microcontroller. So let's define the base addresses of those memories. So now we can use C macros. So let me write hash define flash base address, and let me also create hash define SRAM1 base address. And the SRAM2 base address is not actually required for our application because we will not be using it. So in future, if we need it, then we can add it. So otherwise need not to add. And the main RAM is actually the SRAM1. So that's why the SRAM is actually SRAM1 base address. So the SRAM1 is called as main SRAM. So that we simply call as SRAM. So now what is the base address of flash? You already know this. 0 cross 0800 0000. And what is the base address of SRAM1? That is our main RAM in this microcontroller. So RAM starts from 0 cross to 0000000, right? So that's about the base addresses of flash and SRAM memories. Remember that by default, these numbers are considered as signed numbers, right? So compiler will by default will treat every number as signed integers. So that's why, but addresses can't be signed, right? So address is always unsigned values, right? So that's why to inform the compiler that these values are unsigned, you can either typecast this to uint 32 underscore t, all right? Or what you can do is instead of doing this, you can simply write u here. So u means unsigned integer. So this is to denote unsigned integers. So we are actually, by mentioning u, we are indicating the compiler that this value is not signed but unsigned. You can just mention it as u. So, and I will also give you a small assignment or exercise to add the base address of SRAM2 as well as the base address of system memory, that is ROM. So you can add these info also. So this information you can get from the reference manual itself. So you can go to the memory and memory organization, or you can go to the embedded flash memory interface, and here you will get that info. That is, the flash memory starts from 0 cross 0800, and this is actually the flash memory. Main memory means flash memory, and system memory actually starts from this base. This is the ROM area, remember that. That is of 30 kilobytes. And the OTP area, you can also mention the base address of OTP area and other details. And you can get the SRAM details in memory and bus architecture. So you can just search for SRAM2. So this is called as auxiliary internal SRAM2, which is of 16 kilobytes, which follows after SRAM1, whose size is 112 kilobytes. So you can calculate the SRAM2 base address, and you can update in this header file if you ever need it. Great. So I hope you'll do that, and I will see you in the next lecture.